A very warm welcome to all of you. I am Sugandha Munshi, and my poster entitled Convergence Key to Inclusion in Equity talks about the prospect and learning while mainstreaming women in agriculture in one of the projects called Serial System Initiative for South Asia being run in Eastern India. This poster specifically talked about the state of Bihar, where in order to mainstream women in agriculture and to also increase inclusion and equity in the agriculture sector of the state, there was a well thought strategic development of a platform known as Convergence Platform, which was formed with different stakeholders working in agriculture, both public and private sectors, Department of Agriculture, which is the government body, livelihood mission called Jivika, which work with directly with women farmers, private partners, and also with the research universities and state agriculture university. The platform came together for working for mainstreaming women in agriculture. And here, the objective of the platform is also to work for small and marginal farmers, focusing on women farmers. With this convergence platform, you can see that this is a organic step where the partners with their skills and expertise contribute together for devising interventions, agro-advisory system, and also policies which can have positive impact on the productivity and as well as livelihood of the small and marginal farmers in the state of Bihar, including the women farmers. With this convergence platform, which was formed in the year 2019, what we have found is that with the convergence approach of all the major stakeholders working in the agriculture system, there is a gender sensitive agriculture training module which was developed. We also found that with the agro advisory, which was sent through a single window, agriculture system establishing the platform, we reached out straightforward to 1,52,333 women farmers in one go, and in all together to 11 lakh, both men and women farmers. The key observations which we have with this convergence platform is that when the efforts of different stakeholders come together, there is a proper evidence generation, and also it becomes comparatively easy to highlight the need, aspirations, and design-based intervention with gendered approach. So you can see in the poster that different farmers, have come together where we have time-based intervention in the system, where we have season-based agriculture technology dissemination and agro-advisories, which reached out equally to both men and women farmers with the expertise of different, convergent partners. And this is what result into a larger impact area, a larger area where we can learn and unlearn. Thank you.